How to get stream key on TikTok OBS setup guide. In this video, I am going to teach you how to get your TikTok stream key and connect it to OBS, so you can go live from your PC with full control over your scenes and setup. Before you start, know that TikTok requires a minimum of 1,000 followers to access live streaming from a desktop. If you're under that threshold, the Go Live option simply won't appear yet, and there's no way around that requirement. Once you're eligible, here's exactly how to get connected. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Step 2. Swipe over to the live option from the creation menu. Step 3. On the live setup screen, look for Connect to PC. Tapping this reveals your server URL and stream key, which is what lets outside software talk to your TikTok account. Step 4. Copy both of these values carefully. You'll need them exactly as shown with no extra spaces. Step 5. Open OBS Studio on your computer, then go to Settings, then Stream. Step 6. Set the service to Custom Streaming Server, then paste your server URL and stream key into the matching fields. Step 7. Click Apply, then hit Start Streaming in OBS once your scenes are ready to go. Here's a pro tip. Your TikTok stream key typically expires after about 2 hours, and a new one gets generated every time you start a fresh live session. If your stream won't connect, don't waste time troubleshooting settings, just go back into TikTok and grab a brand new key first. So that's exactly how to get your TikTok stream key and set it up in OBS. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more streaming tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what are you planning to stream first?